Unlock razor-sharp photos with your Nikon D5600 by mastering its focus modes. Let's dive into autofocus first. Your D5600 offers different autofocus modes to suit your subject. For stationary subjects, like this flower, SingleArea AF is perfect. Navigate to the camera menu, select focus mode, and choose AFS or single servo AF. Then, using the directional pad, select a single focus point and position it over your subject. Press the shutter button halfway to lock focus. When your subject is moving, like this playful dog, you'll want to switch to ContinuousArea AF or AFC, continuous servo AF. This mode constantly readjusts focus as your subject moves. Simply select AFC in the menu. Again, you can choose your focus point, but with AFC, the camera will track your subject within that selected area, or you can use the Y or Auto Area AF options for broader tracking. Choosing the right focus point is crucial. You can manually select any of the available focus points on your D5600 by pressing the I button, navigating to the focus area option, and using the directional pad to move the active focus point. Position this point directly on the most critical part of your subject for maximum sharpness. For precise control, especially when recomposing after focusing, use focus lock. Get your subject in focus by pressing the shutter button halfway, then hold it there while holding the shutter button halfway. Recompose your shot, and when you're ready, press the shutter all the way down to capture the image. This keeps your focus point locked. Sometimes, manual focus is best. Switch your lens to M for manual focus. You can then turn the focus ring on the lens to achieve perfect sharpness. Use the live view on your LCD screen and zoom in to ensure critical focus, especially for close-up or very specific focusing tasks. Mastering these focusing techniques will elevate your photography. Experiment with each mode and find what works best for capturing your world with stunning clarity.